This is how to use the / shortcut on TradingView like a pro. So we press the / while we're on the chart and this pops up. So we start with favorites. Everything you have starred, indicator metric strategy is found here. Then if you create any Pine scripts of yours, they will be found here. Just click create script to take you to Pine script. Anything you've purchased, built in by TradingView. These are technical indicators, strategies, etc. So here you can find the moving average, RSI, MACD, Fibonacci extensions, all these technical tools. You can play with them here. And here, TradingView also includes fundamental tools. So related to the income statement, the balance sheet, cash flow, any statistics related to the company. So dividend yield, market cap, shares outstanding, ratios like price to earnings, price to sales. You need to really spend time here, and community related. So editors picks, indicators, strategies that others have made. You can find the author here, top trending ones, and store, anything you can buy here. So this is how you can use the / pop-up on TradingView. You can also access it by clicking here, and you can see TradingView includes a shortcut. You can see the / by the name. We can click on it. Takes you back to where you were. So this is how you can use the indicators, metrics, and strategies pop-up on TradingView like a pro. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.